Hi everyone,
Hello!
welcome back to our EcoSwap series.
Yeah, so we are showing you our favourite eco-travel products that we use on the road. And today we are going to talk to you about this little egg, which is called the Eco Egg, or a laundry egg. So we use this laundry egg to wash all our clothes. Do you want to tell them a bit what's inside?
Yeah, well, this is one of our best studies to travel. It's filled with natural minerals. They are like little pellets. And basically, you never take them out. Once they are worn down, you just top up with another jar. We bought a box that brought us like a few bags to
Think 5 or
refill.
6.
Yeah, 5 or 6. And yeah, it's amazing because they will last a long time.
Yeah, each refill washes about 70 times. So if you imagine that we wash our clothes maybe once every week, maybe twice a week occasionally when we're very hot like we are now. So if you imagine that we wash our clothes once a week, or maybe sometimes occasionally twice if we're very hot and sweaty like we are now, then it means that we can wash our clothes for about over 1 year actually with one refill, because it's 70 washes. So more than 1 year. It's really amazing.
Yeah.
No, it's been really amazing on the road because we don't have to worry about paying for laundry services or buying those little annoying tiny travel wash bottles. We just use this. We can wash our clothes in a bucket if that's all we have access to, literally a bucket of water, and we throw that in with our clothes and wash by hand. And if there is a washing machine, also you just put it in the main drum of the washing machine and around it goes. Yeah. It's amazing. It's just clean. Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing, especially the fact that we don't throw any harsh chemicals to the water waste.
Yeah.
So that has been a peace of mind for ourselves, knowing that we are not polluting. Especially in a lot of places here in South America, the water machine, maybe the drain was open to the grass, and yeah, being aware that we are not throwing any chemicals there was amazing. Was our interesting experience.
Yeah, it's really reassuring.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, if you're about to go traveling, we really recommend the Eco Egg for a long-term trip in particular. It means you haven't got to worry about washing clothes or being able to do that on the road, and it's also eco-friendly. So yeah, try the Eco Egg. We really like it.
If you have tried it, if you are using something else, or if you are going to try it, please let us know. Leave a comment if you have any questions.
Yeah.
We would love to hear your opinion, your thoughts about this topic.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss out on our future eco swaps.
See you next week.
See you next week.